I am taking lessons in demolishing enemies. What sound does a giraffe make? Never mind. They wake the Fairy Queen, who breaks the spell and saves everyone! And they all get married! Enchanted Forest! You've seen an enchanted forest? Wait, what? And you've never told us this before? Okay, now tell us now. Wow, Papa, that was epic! Carbon, boron, beryllium, lithium, helium, hydrogen. Nailed it. Boom shakalaka. Well, it didn't really make a lot of sense. Good night, Uncle Ted. I hope to grow up and be a success just like you. Maybe we'll see you soon. Don't you think I'm a little old for that now? Uncle Ted, I missed you so much. You're here. You're really here. Thanks. Wait, you're talking? Oh my gosh, you're talking! You mean Dad's stories are true? No way! Wait, Dad's here? Where? Morning, Snowball. Who's the best bunny in the whole wide world? I think it's too small. It's fine. Fire! This is your baby lamp. I don't want it. Stop. You stop. You stop. Mom! Give it away. I'm too big for that. You didn't get a gift? Maybe your gift is being in denial. Hi, Grandma. Wow. I'm gonna be a space ranger too. Just like you. I am taking lessons in demolishing enemies. Sorry, the scooter website's still loading. Dad, are you hogging the Wi-Fi? But I guess you really can be trusted to do the right thing. Eventually. Sir, I'm a future nurse. I know when a lice crisis has been fully contained. You and your baby are free to stroll.